Unlock the secrets of lily seeds, how to harvest and grow your own lily. Are you able to identify what are seeds in lily bloom, considering that they are not very visible or brightly colored? Lily add long-lasting beauty to a field or a home. The flowers spring up in summer and later ripen into pods filled with black seeds. Did you know these glossy, black seeds can be used to propagate new plants? The mature lily seed pods have an unremarkable appearance. They can be easily recognized once you get to know the basic traits. Different species of lily. As you learn how to identify what are seeds in lily bloom, it's best to know the different species of lily available to gardeners. Oriental lily. These lily have famous for their strong fragrance. They grow to about 4 feet slower than other types. Their bloom starts mid to late summer, when the Asiatic lily flowers are fading. Trumpet lily. They are like Oriental lily and produce many blooms with a sweet scent. Their flowers are smaller and more closed than those of the other lily. Asiatic lily. They bloom in May or June. Early summer right after peonies. These are the shortest lily type, growing about 2 to 3 feet tall. Have many colors from tropical to pastel. They don't have a strong fragrance, but are brightly colored. Easter lily. These are commonly grown indoors. They bloom around Easter in March or April. They grow best in North America, which is warmer. What are seeds in lily bloom like? During the active growing season, lilies' flowers bloom near the tips of the stalks. They later shrivel, leaving the ovary to ripen and form the seed pod. Immature pods have a pale green color with an ovate lobe shape. The size and shape of the seed pods vary, depending on different species of lily. They measure about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. When they mature and the seed pods dry out, they turn into brown color. On maturity, the seeds ripen ready for harvest. The mature pods split open at the seams between the lobes and reveal dark, shiny seeds inside. These are the mature lily seeds ready for planting. How to collect lily seeds? Lily seeds should be gathered in late summer or autumn. This is after the pods have completely dried out and begun to split open. The pods usually turn brown, with the mature seeds being dark, firm and dried. It is about 6 to 8 weeks after the bloom period. Separate the pods from the lily plants and break the seed capsules open over a dry container. The seeds lose viability fast and are more likely to germinate immediately when sown. You can store them until spring by storing them in a refrigerator. Store them in a container at 50 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Stored seeds have a much lower rate of germination than fresh seeds. There are many plants with the name lily, but most are not true lily. Don't be confused. True lily grow from onion-like bulbs. Any lily that does not grow from a bulb is not a true lily. Beware. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.